Follow my camera and you'll see that we have already removed the metal plate from the compressor compartment. At the top, we have the control box, which features a sealed structure. Here, you can see the electronic expansion valve and the plate heat exchanger, as well as the Senhua four-way valve, which is specially designed for heat pumps. There is also a very large plate exchanger here, and next to it, we have our dual-core PTC heater. Below, we have the compressor with a soundproof cover. Let's take a closer look at this design. From the front, you can see that our design is very clean and neat, with all the wires hidden behind. The front view is very simple and sleek. Now, let's continue by removing the front panel of the wind frame, so we can see the structure of the evaporator and the fan. Let's get started.